Hey, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is the brand new March 2018 Birchbox. I just got it today. The theme is breaking ground. It's all about breaking ground for spring and awakening your senses. So we got some really cool products in here. We'll check them out, obviously, with the itemized card there. So let's get down to business. So we have the Birchbox March 2018 box with the theme Breaking Ground. I love that there's always an itemized card of everything you're getting in the box, plus the full size price. And we also have a little note from the CEO and co-founder of Birchbox. It says, finally, spring. While winter offered us plenty of time to dream and plan, we're quickly awakened by how much change is happening all around us. It's no coincidence that spring's arrival and the promise of a new day coincides with Women's History Month, which is a time to honor women's contributions to culture and society. And then they go on as a company, we're energized by you, our community of bright and bold women whose voices, various perspectives, and personal stories move us and drive us forward. So, and then they want us to collectively continue to clear the clutter, break new ground, and reach for the sun, which I'm sure we can all do with these products. So anyway, the first one is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This was actually the sample choice. And if you just heard something crash, that was my cat being a dumbass and knocking over shoe boxes in my closet. Anyway, Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's a facial moisturizer. It was my sample choice. It absorbs without feeling greasy, and you can wear it morning or night. Then we have a really exciting product that's new, and I'm all excited to try it. I've seen it in Target. It's actually pretty decent sized bottles here. It's the Love Planet and Beauty Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo and Conditioner. I love, like, it just smells so floral and refreshing. It just smells like spring. And it's paraben and silicone free. It's got coconut water. I love coconut water, drinking it, and I am excited to try coconut water on my hair. So yay. Then we have ModelCo Luxe Cream Long Wear Lipstick. It's in Sienna, which is, it's a deep rose shade. So try it there. Oh, there you go. And it's supposed to be a shade exclusive to Birchbox, so that's pretty awesome. Plus, it's a full-size lipstick. Who doesn't love that when you get a full-size product? Then, one of my favorites, and I'm glad because I'm almost out. And normally I don't buy makeup, but I will make the exception for this product because it's so freaking awesome. So, it is Smashbox Instamatte. Basically, you put it over any lipstick that's not a gloss. Like, you can't use it with lip gloss because it'll just clump. So you put it on any lipstick and it makes it instantly like a matte shade. So let's see, let's take some more of this. Put some of this on it. And I don't know if you can tell here, but it makes it like instantly like matte finish. So perfect. I love it. It's one of my favorite products. I think I got it in a Birchbox maybe like a year and a half ago, but I love the stuff. It is so incredible. So that is the March Birchbox. We're going to break some ground with these products. You follow me, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.